When Colorado Springs Utilities opened the spigot on the Southern Delivery System in April 2016, the water infrastructure project was completed not only on schedule, but more than $160 million under budget.
Wow, this is tremendous. SDS construction's complete after 6 years, and this plant turned out exactly like we thought it would. A real example of how we approached construction on SDS.
I agree. The fact that we were able to move the plant to this location, change the layout, it allows us to make 50 million gallons a day, and we save millions of dollars.
Yeah, we actually saved $65 million on this plant. But overall, our approach produced $160 million worth of savings for our customers.
The tremendous cost savings achieved was the result of the SDS leadership team proactively looking for ways to redesign and re-engineer the project every step of the way, a process known as value engineering. It analyzes SDS's functional requirements and then the use of ongoing creativity and investigation to achieve the essential functions at the lowest cost.
Before we even took a budget to our city council for approval, we cut $50 million off the top. And we did that by looking at the size of our facilities and starting to shrink them down to what we needed versus what some people wanted.
We went from a campus-style layout for this water treatment plant to having the entire plant underneath one roof. And we saved a lot in concrete and pipe and steel. And so we're constantly adding value to this project through the design phase and through the construction phase, trying to get better and more value to our ratepayers.
It's the right thing to do. We've had a saying all the way through the project since this management team took over in '07, it's not our money. We're spending somebody else's money, and there's added responsibility in doing that.
One of our most challenging segments of pipe installation was crossing I-25, 2 sets of railroad tracks, Fountain Creek, and a major wetland area. The original design was to have a lot of open cut channel done by heavy equipment where we would have to clear the ground surface and all the trees to install the pipe. What we ultimately shifted to was drilling a tunnel under all of that so that we didn't have the surface damage. And in doing that, it resulted in a $10 million savings to the program.
The SDS program management team evaluated multiple ideas for 3 raw water pump stations that could transport up to 50 million gallons a day, 1,500 feet uphill from Pueblo Reservoir to Colorado Springs. The contracting approach and the changes in design produced dramatic cost savings for ratepayers. By placing the plant in a certain location, Colorado Springs Utilities, a 4-service utility including energy, was able to self-power, saving $10 million. Value engineering and a change to vertical pumps at the pump stations reduced the estimated construction cost by approximately $24 million. Changes were made in the pipeline construction as well, reducing the number of pipeline valves and adopting a new welding procedure to increase pipeline installation efficiency.
One of the things that I think the Southern Delivery System team did so well was listen to the public every step of the way and make changes as a result of that input so that we were making better decisions in our planning, and it truly was more of a success in the end as a result.
In my career, I haven't seen cost savings of this magnitude before, and it's been fantastic to be able to recognize this on this program and be involved all the way from design right through to construction to recognize cost savings in all manner of areas. It's been fantastic.